Let's get right to it. Data engineering encompasses a lot of career options and a lot of different avenues. Two of the most lucrative data engineering subspecialties right now are the data warehouse administrator and the data warehouse developer. Now, these are separate roles at most real-world companies. I was building data pipelines in Snowflake for a small company, and they had a single person for doing all the dev work, another one for doing all the admin work, and still another one, me, for building all the data pipelines. Every company I've ever worked for has had two separate people doing database administration and database development, and that holds true for the data warehouse types. A SQL dev will sling code all day. That's all they're going to do. They won't do any administration. On the other side of the table, a DW admin won't write any hardcore code. They won't write any stored procedures or views. That's the domain of the SQL developer. They're going to focus on the administrative aspects of the job. What makes this even more confusing is that companies try to cram everyone into one role. That never works out well because there are two different skill sets. Here's an example of a company who lists the job for a Snowflake developer when they clearly want a data engineer or Snowflake administrator. To make the listing even more laughable, they want to pay this person $65 an hour. If you look at the time the job's been open, you'll notice it was posted more than 30 days ago. And what that tells you is they can't find anyone for the job. And they won't find anyone that's skilled either for that laughable amount. All database roles have two sides, a dev side and an admin side. Guess what skill both roles start with? Right, SQL. You won't make it past any phone screen on any database role, data warehouse or otherwise, without heavy SQL and heavy database architecture understanding. If you watch any of my videos for any length of time, you'll know that the top job is the data engineer. You'll also know that all roads to any data-related role start and end with SQL and knowledge of basic relational database concepts and data warehouse concepts. If you're thinking, man, I'm tired of hearing this. Listen, I'm tired of telling you. But let me be honest with you. Most of you aren't getting it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a great day. We'll see you soon.